This is our Excel static kit. Okay. So we'll explain about the parts. So in a kit, normally the only body will be there, and this is called the center plate, and below will be the battery tray, and this is called leg mount, leg push. This is the motor mount. Okay, and these are the parts. It will come in the kit. Show here. So as I said, this is the center plate which comes here, and the battery tray you need to insert below. Yeah, you will have the screws and all for that. This is the mount to hold the leg and the arm. Okay, it will come here. There will be 4 set like this, 2 pieces. Okay, this is the motor mount. So it will be having a stop LED light. So it will come here. So 4 sets again, and this is the bottom bush which comes under the legs. Okay, and this we will attach 4 pieces of legs, small type, and 4 arms will be there. This one is a kit we assembled with our Axldrone components, which is not part of or not included in the kit, which we need to buy or get separate. Okay, thank you.